Hubby and I are heading out to the Dallas Vintage Shop. I've been trying to get out here for a minute. The last time we tried to come, they were actually closing, so we missed it. And I've only been out here one other time, and I remembered it, and I wanted to go back ever since. I saw some shoes at that time, which they probably don't have anymore, but I'm sure whatever they have now will fit the bill. Just a little information before we arrive. The store does have a policy of no filming or recording to protect the privacy of the shop's clients. However, on this trip, I did find a man behind the counter and asked if I could take photos. He granted me permission and thanked me for asking so politely. This is truly a mega store, and it is packed wall to wall, aisle to aisle, ceiling to floor, with clothes, shoes, scarves, masks, accessories, anything you can think of, vintage or costume, this store has it. I only had about 30 minutes to shop for shoes, so that is what I focused on for my photos. This first pair of shoes were also sold in boxes that you could find on the shelves, as well as the gold ones that you will also see. Most of these shoes were not in my size, but if they were, I definitely would have purchased them. And you know I love these because they are leopard print. These are not quite my style as the heel is too low, but I thought someone else might appreciate them. Love these with the studs, were not my size. And then here's just some pictures of all of the other options that they had, plus many more that I did not get to capture on film. Now let's stop right here. I thought I captured a photo of the full shoe, but I guess I didn't. This is the shoe that I was going to purchase, but as I was putting back the others that I decided not to get, the bow fell off. Now in hindsight, I started to think that I probably should have gotten the shoe and just tried to fix the bow. Little time left to shop. I couldn't decide whether or not I wanted to take the shoe and try to repair it or just leave it. I left it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really liked this shoe and the way it looked on my foot, but it was a little too snug for my liking and wasn't sure I'd be comfortable in this shoe for a long period of time, so I passed on this one as well. On the way out, my daughter asked if I was going to ride motorcycles. And it was so funny because I said to myself, well, I guess I look the part. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. And if you get a chance, check out Dallas Vintage Shop.